Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today I shall start unit number 3. Our topic is about farm animals. Farm animals. Dear students, there is a variety of animals. Some animals live in jungle like tiger, lion, elephant and fox. But some animals are called pet animals. We keep these animals at our home. For example, donkey, sheep, horse, goat, cow, hen. Donkey, sheep, horse, goat, cow, hen. We keep some animals in a house. This house is called a farmhouse. This is a farmhouse. We get milk, eggs and meat from some animals like cow, goat, sheep. We get milk from cow and goat. We get milk from cow and goat. We get egg from hen. We get egg from hen. We get meat from goat and cow. We get meat from goat and cow. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.